running all the red lights. Lock me up. Give me a mug shot because I'm gonna look good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys a first impression on a unit that was sent to me by Ebony. But before we get into all the specs of this unit and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit was sent to me by Ebony. It is by Bobbi Boss. It is a part of their Glueless lace front wig series. It is the MBLF001 ALIVIA unit. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 99J and she does retail for $57.93. So getting up into that high price point for synthetic wigs. This unit comes with a 13x7 lace parting area. So that's 13 inches from ear to ear, 7 inches deep of parting space here in the middle. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit also comes with an adjustable elastic band, which makes this unit glueless, which is one of the staples they talk about with this line. And I do like that about this unit because we do not see a lot of synthetic lace front units that do come with the adjustable elastic band already sewn into the unit to make the unit fit down to your head. So you have the combs in this unit, you have the elastic band, and you have the adjustable straps. This unit doesn't have to go anywhere if you don't want it to, but just don't let your man pull on your wig, okay? Be careful. The unit does come with a pre-plucked natural hairline and baby hairs. I did not pluck anything in this unit, and I must say that hairline looks amazing. I did go in and brush the baby hairs back because they were a little bit too long for me, okay? If you like long baby hairs, do you, boo. And then I kind of just went in with some swoop action, some swoopity swoops, and did my hairline like that. If you watched the put down clip, then you saw when I had all the hair pushed back how it was looking, and to me it still looked really natural. It wasn't really a dense hairline at all, so you know, kudos to Bobbi Boss for getting that hairline right. Also, the lace is very, very soft. I did go in with a little bit of powder on my lace, but it was not needed at all. As you can see right now, that is how it's looking with my powder. I put a little bit on the hairline here. I used more actually in the parting space than I did anything because I wanted my part to stand out a little bit more than what it was. So I'm happy that I did that. Now I will say this unit is between big head friendly and big head associate. And I say between because it does not come all the way down onto my ears right here. There's some gaps. However, the way that I cut my own little sideburns up in here to kind of make it blend down, it doesn't bother me. I do have my hair cornrowed under this unit and I am wearing my wig grip. So with that, it's just kind of like, maybe it is more big head associate than big head friendly. However, if you have a 23-inch head or bigger, this unit does come with a flex cap in the back. So it does stretch out over top of your head. So you should be good to go, okay? I don't feel like you should be struggling to put this cap on at all. I also have the adjustable elastic band tightened all the way down because I wanted to make this unit as glueless as possible outside of my edge control. But this is how she's looking from the side. Let me put the hair back, okay? This is what she looks like from the side. Very, very simple. She has a little curl, little bump curl going back. This is what she looks like from the back. She comes down past my chest, so that's a good 24 to 26 on me, okay? So yeah, she's pretty long. This unit is heat safe up to about 400 degrees, so if you need to go in and straighten it or put some heat anywhere on this unit, you can. Well, now that we got that out the way, let's talk about this wig real quick. I was a little disappointed in that London wig, okay, for the color that I had. So let me just go ahead and tell you right now, you have totally redeemed yourself with this joint right here. Y'all, I was trying to contain my excitement through that whole little, you know, giving the specs or whatever. I'm pressed. My leg was twitching like a crackhead. Like, it was a lot going on under this table because I'm just like, I just want to burst. I just want to say, buy the wig, buy the wig. This unit does come in a human hair blend, just like her sister London. But y'all know that human hair blend for London for the color that I got was not working out. But I must say this human hair blend for this 99J is giving me all the feels. Y'all, this unit feels bomb. The hair to me is very soft. It's not the softest that I have felt in a unit before, but it's definitely really soft. It's very thick. Okay, when I say thick, I mean thick. It's definitely giving off a thick yaki vibe. So I don't know. Now I don't know. Don't quote me. Don't ask me either because I'm not trying those colors. They do have this unit in the VV chalk. I don't know how it's going to be. In the VV chalk. Okay, so if you want to test it out yourself and take that gamble, go ahead. Before you ask, yes, there is some tangling with this unit. I'm getting it mainly towards the end of the unit. Look at that. We made it on through. Okay, we made it. Look at that. Look. And it didn't snap the hair either. You don't believe me? Look. Let's come up closer. Look at that. She not snapping at all. Do I have any shedding with this? I do have a little bit. I do have some shedding in my brush, but it's not a lot. I was going to do a middle part as you guys saw in the put down, but I decided to go ahead and do a little Becky swoop, and I like that a lot better. Now I'm going to say something major. I'm going to say something major here. I love this unit more than my Morgan unit. I said it, okay? Why? They took something and made it better, it seems. They know we needed a good hairline, a good texture, and a good lace. Hold up. It's like they were listening to us when we were talking about the other, you know, issues we have with those other units. Hello, for $57 for this 99J, I would pay for this unit, okay? Because I spent dang near the same on my Morgan. Like, y'all see that? Y'all remember Morgan had that same little wave up here in the front. Even the little curl down in here. Look at that. Oh! Morgan has claimed the throne for the longest time. She has dethroned my Morgan, called her a peasant, and told her to get out of here. See ya. For what you get for this price point, I would say yes. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look. Hold the phone, Cheech. I'm about to show my today. You hear me? I'm rocking this unit all day. Don't ask me no questions. I'm running all the red lights. Lock me up. Give me a mug shot because I'm gonna look good, okay? Now, although I hope you watched this whole video, I'm hoping some of y'all caught my little excitement and went on and bought your unit already. To save yourself the attitude of being pissed when this joint is sold out, because yes, thank you, Bobbi Boss, for making me excited about a unit again. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Even though this is like a basic style, the fact that they hit on every single thing that we want in a lace front synthetic unit, and they did it so well, they touched on every single thing that we have been complaining about with other units. Like my girl Jessica, aka Wigs and Wanderlust, be talking about. She'd be like, shut up, girl, shut up. Bobbi Boss and told us to take this daggone wig and shut up. Don't complain again. Don't complain again. Everything is on point. Girl, you better get this wig. Girl, you better get this wig. Or Gary. I know Gary in here too. Hey, Gary. If you happen to still be here, I will put the direct link for this unit down below. Shout out to MelenatedKin for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.